I think there's a lot that should be keeping us up at night.
The overall changing economic conditions, the debt crisis, particularly in developing countries.
Biodiversity loss and climate change.
The pace of us actually being able to reduce our GHGs globally.
How I can really get Indigenous representation within these sectors.
Businesses and supply chain providers that have to make a shift around the materials, around embodied carbon.
I think what gives me hope is that nobody has been throwing sustainability under the bus.
Young people give me hope. The flood of interest in solving our climate challenges.
Seeing all the incredible youth and their innovative ideas and how they think outside the box.
The technology and the policies that our country is starting to build.
The transition is underway, and nobody in no industry can question what is happening, and everybody needs to get ready.
That there are solutions, and those solutions are right at our fingertips.
I have immense hope that we're actually going to break the back of this challenge in the next decade.